What's good, YouTube? It's your girl, Ava Prospect, here, banging, you feel me? So today, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make cupcake slime. So let's get started. The first thing you will need is a cupcake tin and some cupcake liners. And then you just want to take some regular slime or some butter slime and fill that up with your butter slime. Okay? And then you just want to set this aside into the oven for about 30-40 minutes. Put it in there. Okay? And then you want to get your icing. I already pre-made this. And take it out. It's hard to get out because I just bought this. There we go. It's kind of yucky slime. And then I have some beads in it I want to take out so it can be like sprinkles. Here we go. Take them out. Pretty nasty. Oops. Get that. I got this slime from Walmart. There we go. If I need to, I'll pick out some more. Okay? Just want to need that. Need it. Let me get the top for it. Ding! Oh! I think the cupcakes are done. Let's just get them out of the oven. So we got the cupcake out of the oven now. And then you just want to get your frosting. I just showed y'all. About like this much, okay? And then you just want to take your icing and swirl it on top, like so. Don't mind the background noises. There we go. Like so. Like that. And then you just want to add the rest on top. Oh, sticky. Okay. Get that. And then just place it on top, like so. I just rub it on top. There we go. Like so. Add some more. Boom, boom, boom. And then you just want to add the rest one to your last cupcake. There we go. And this is what it should look like that. And then you just want to get your sprinkles and just put some more in the cupcakes. Like so. There you go. Add some more. They're falling out. There we go. Add some more over here. And boom. And I'm going to leave this one plain. So there. I'm going to show y'all what they look like. This is what they look like. Check it out. Certainly not butter slime anymore. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to take it out. Knead it a little bit. A little bit. It's like a little bit like slime now. Okay, so that's the end of the video. So peace out. Bye.